Y'all remember that flow video that I recorded to the runners? Well, I'm finally teaching you one of the combos from it. Drex here from Drex After Poi, teaching you the love of poi spinning and flow arts to benefit your body and brain. And today I am finally visiting one of those combos from that flow video that I shot back in December. Before we dive in, I just want to give a quick shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flow DNA, Flow Fests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all of these awesome companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. So seriously, you all would not believe the challenges that I have had in shooting videos today. You may have noticed this is now the third location that I have employed in the course of shooting videos today. So it goes sometimes. But anyway, here's hoping I get through this shoot without having to move again. We shall see how I do. But in the meantime, I'm going to teach you this combo, which I meant to do earlier in the month, and January kind of got away from me. Sorry. Anyways, the tricks that you're going to need to get down this beginner/intermediate level combo from the runners are, you're going to need to know how to do stalls. You are going to need to know how to do your pendulums in split time opposites. You are also going to need to know how to do your tuck turns. There's a couple other things that are going to be helpful to know, but we're going to cover those in the course of the video. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and let you know that there are tutorials to all three of those tricks listed down in the description as well as up in the cards if you happen to be watching this video on YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and show you the combo at full speed and then take you through it step by step before finally showing it to you again in slow motion. So like many combos that I have recorded lately, this one's going to involve having your poi just a little bit shorter than usual. You're probably going to want to wrap them around your first two fingers, your index and middle fingers, and then use your just standard grip on them and everything. We're actually going to start off, I think, at just about center stage, and you're going to have both of your poi kind of sitting over to your stage right. And we're going to start this off by having you swing your left-hand poi around and then your right-hand poi around. Really all you're doing is swinging it around to stall down again, swinging around to stall down again once more. I'm also trying to do this in such a way that when I stall that right hand poi down, boom, there's a focus shift towards the audience/camera. Awesome. So now that we have that stall, we're going to go ahead and switch into pendulums. How are we going to do this? Well, your right hand is going to go up and your left hand is going to go down. You don't need to put any energy into the poi whatsoever. They're actually just supposed to be just kind of hanging there as you're doing this, yeah? The trick here is that I'm bringing up my right hand in such a way that the poi is going behind my head rather than in front of it. That's a little bit of a change, but if you look at how I'm doing this from the side here, basically I'm kind of reaching up like I'm trying to like poke my thumb into something that's happening behind me. And then when I bring them over to my left-hand side, it's now my left hand's turn to go up and make like I'm going to stick my thumb into something behind me, yeah? Now, really, you only need to do the right hand up, together over to your left, and then your left hand up. Because we're going to switch out of this by having the left hand poi swing around in front of your face after it goes behind your head. Now once you've got that left hand poi in front of your face, you're going to go ahead and swing both of the poi around up together and together same time. That means they're both reaching up at the same time, they're both reaching down at the same time. Swing them both up and around, and as they come or back around to the side, you're going to let them both stall out to your left. So just to cap off what we've got so far, we have I stall my left hand around, my right hand around, and right hand goes up, we bring them together, left hand goes up, comes around to the front, we swing both of the poi around, and we bring them together over to the left hand side again, yeah? So from this moment where we have both the poi off to our left, we're going to kind of drop them down towards our hips and start off our tuck turn. We're going to do this by facing away from the camera, and then as they go around our shoulders, we're going to come back around to facing towards the camera before bringing them out to stall off to our left. So you're kind of doing a little turn that walks across to stage right, yeah? Now you're going to kind of hang out here for a second and just let that moment sizzle. What you're going to do next is you're going to pick up your right foot and boom, make like you're almost like kicking your right hand poi, boom, up and over to the right. Now as that happens, you're going to step back with your left foot. You're going to bring both poi up and around to boom, have this lovely little moment at the end where you're kind of like a bird in flight or something, and you've got both of the poi stalling up. How this is going to work is that you're going to make like you're going to be doing a butterfly that is bringing the poi around and together opposite, but you are not actually going to do that as a butterfly. You're instead going to bring your arms past each other and boom, stall up as you step back with your left foot and arch your back to look up. Whole thing is going to look like this. You kick as it comes up and boom, around. To cap it off, you just wrap the poi around your hands and go ahead and look like you just pull off something cool, because you did. Awesome, so that whole combo from the top. We started over here with our poi at stage right. I'm gonna stall my left hand, stall my right hand with the focus shift, and right hand goes up, they come together, left hand goes up, swing them around, off to the left, tuck turns around, and boom, we stall. Now I'm going to kick that right hand over and stall and arch to finish it off, yeah? Let's see that again in slow motion. Awesome. I would love to see your version of this combo. Please post a video of yourself doing it to Instagram and use the hashtag DrexFactorPoi so I can come see your hard work. You can also go ahead and post that video to your stories and tag me. I am at DrexFactor on Instagram, and I will go ahead and make a copy of your video and post it to my stories so that all my followers can see your hard work. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help other people find this video, and of course, to help my channel grow. And finally, a huge thank you, because this video would not be possible without the kind contributions of these amazing folks right here. These are my Flow patrons over on Patreon, and they, along with the wonderful folks listed down in the description, make this video and all the videos on this channel possible. If you would like to sign up to support this work, bringing the love of poi spinning and flow arts to the wider world and helping people connect with their bodies and brains, you can do so by heading over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and signing up. You can get early access to all of my content, as well as a say in what topics I tackle in the future, plus which some awesome behind the scenes stuff and occasional extra content too. So you should go check that out. Please and thank you. All right, so if all has gone according to plan, I have released another flow video this very week, and I should have some combos for you all coming on that one. I'm sorry I didn't do so many combos from the runners, but that was just how the time worked out and everything. But I'll try and be better about that in the coming months. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a good one. Peace.